Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today, my neighbor, we put him on skates. Literally, we put him on skates. It's the ones. It's not the ones that have two wheels right here or two wheels right here. It's the row, and he's struggling on the rim.
They can actually help you.
Bro. Now he's gonna learn how to skate.
Okay, how do I do this, Jonna? I'm gonna help.
Try to get on the fence. Get on the fence. Oh shit! Dude, you broke the fucking fence.
No, my other is broken. Whoa, what is it?
Come on, you got it. Let me give you a little boost. I'm just kidding. Now try to skate to the other fence. Skate to the other fence. Try to skate to the other fence.
Fuck you, you gotta be a fuck.
Try to skate to the other fence.
No, I want this board there.
Oh my god.
What if I fall?
You just broke the board. See, it's right here. And as you can tell, it used to be right here.
Oh shit, look at that spider.
Look at the spider. Oh, oh shit, look at this crazy ass dog. Whose dog is that? No, he just went in my neighbor's yard.
Go get him.
Dude, who the heck is that dog? Whose dog is that? Whose dog is that?
Okay, I'm trying to get him.
Oh my god, now my neighbor's trying to go get him. Hey, look at that crazy ass dog over there. What is that dog doing? Discovering or some shit? I don't even know. Hey, get your ass over here, dog. Oh shit, looks like he's going by me.
He's probably trying to get some pussy. Because they have a cat.
Oh my god.
Hey, no, dog.
Hey, dog. Oh, I think he's gonna fall again. Let me go in there. I'm going in. Oh, this dog. Shit, I won't get caught. This dog is crazy, man. Get the fuck out. Get out. Oh, shit. Ah! Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. I think he bit me. Oh, my gosh. Oh my god, that was so scary. Hope you guys enjoyed this video trying to watch my neighbor skating. I think there's going to be a part 2 to this. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, comment, and peace.